favorite word? Why they dead life short? What's my favorite word? Why they dead life short? Know they play on my
DJ Big-Worm.
Stay on the porch, blow the whistle.
This is your town, get your hands up. You get your hands up. You get your hands up. Hands up. This is your town, get your hands up. Don't get your hands up. Don't get your hands up. Hands up.
So what's up, guys? So we're gonna go to Cars and Coffee. So we're hanging out here with Manny, Paul, and Luis. Just Modelo time, Manny.
Mix it in with your coffee.
With the old school '80s music.
Hell yeah.
Oh, that's what it sounded like, huh? So I'm really excited actually to go out there today. It's good to see you guys actually made it out. These guys never make it out, guys.
It's still COVID, and usually we work Sundays, so that's why it's hard to.
But staying at home and not really being active, I'm pretty sure you guys exercise, but at home, I don't think that's very healthy for your mind either, I would say.
No, I mean, if I had a better schedule for my job, I'd make it out more. Yeah.
Oh, so because it's Super Bowl Sunday, you're able to get it off.
Yeah.
I got you. So we are getting ready to watch the best sports game on television, right, Luis?
Chivas doesn't play till tomorrow.
That is true.
So we got a soccer fan here. So since it's Super Bowl Sunday,
It's like the soccer fan.
so who's winning?
Niners, baby.
No,
The Raiders versus the Niners?
no, that was like a long time ago.
I
So-
want to say probably the Buccaneers.
You guys have that much confidence in Tom Brady?
Yeah, he's GOAT, man.
So
He's
one of
been there more. So
one of the
he's got
youngest
experience.
football player NFL quarterbacks, right, against one of the oldest ones, right? So
Hey, he can flash 6 rings though.
that's fucking crazy, huh?
Yeah.
He has 6 right now.
Yeah, he got
Oh,
those.
Imagine if he
so
goes for
got
7. Holy shit! Might as well go for 10. Keep it
I
even.
don't know
A
if
ring
he's
on each
gonna-
finger.
I don't know if he's gonna play next year though.
We're talking about football.
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Well, let's get out.
Football.
American football.
Well, let's get out of here. Let's go have some fun at Cars and Coffee. Check out some cars and get a coffee because you're looking like you're pretty drained, or you're not used to waking up this early
I'm not used to waking up this early.
on a
This is when we
Sunday.
usually
Right
go to
now, I
sleep.
would probably be passed out still.
You're like, hey, is Manny awake? No.
No.
All right, pues let's go. There's room over there. Yeah.
In the line?
With all the Subarus. You'll stand out.
I think I need to get another car.
What do you guys think about airbags on rides? Are you guys about the lifestyle or no?
I think your car goes up and
Yeah, because you keep hearing them in the background.
It's pretty cool.
Okay.
I mean, it's pretty convenient how you can learn to raise your car when you need to.
Exactly.
Only issue is
Especially in the parking garage.
No, go ahead, Lance. What's up, Lance?
good morning.
How you doing?
Good. Oh, sorry. I didn't
No,
know you were
no,
doing an interview.
No, we're just bullshitting. This car sounded really nice when it pulled up.
They're badass.
These cars are beasts, but
I held like
My
the
mouth's watering. GT3
0
RS.
to
I like
60
this
cents
one
for a
too.
long time.
yeah, dude, that just took number 1. This is a rarity right here, guys. So what do you guys think? What's the nicest car out here so far, guys?
The red Supra.
What? I didn't see I have not seen a Supra. Like an original Supra? I have not seen one. I've seen BMW.
How many GTRs have you seen?
I like that McLaren.
That McLaren's badass, huh?
600 LT.
The 600 LT.
I think the McLaren was probably one of the nicer looking ones. Damn, a Chevy Nova. Yeah. Well, there's a line at the Starbucks, no?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so we're fucked.
Yeah.
Dude, that car's so nice. The Mustang guys, crowd killers. What's up? Nice Mustangs though. Clean Mustangs.
These ones handle. These
ones actually
planted.
Right?
They don't handle like the solid axle.
These are the best ones made so far.
So far. Yeah.
Oh, you know, I'm just out here hanging out, getting out of the house, you know.
Ahorita yo estoy recogiendo gente.
¿Por qué o qué?
Nomás, porque así soy. Recogiendo gente. You know him?
Good, thank you.
¿Y el Cristian?
Ah, he's working.
Ah, shit.
Yeah.
Bien, bien. Good to see you.
You too, man.
It's been a while.
It's been a long ass time.
Over a decade for sure.
Dude, Mustang guys doing Mustang things, dude.
I don't have a fast car like my boy over here, so it's a new experience for me. But like I said, it was fun, but scary at the same time. But 2 thumbs up.
Paul, what did you think of that drive to here?
My drive was questionable because I'm trying to still figure out my car with the whole paddle shifting thing. So
You were trying to see
I'm used to the stick shifts, and when I was experimenting today, yeah, the stick shifts. The stick shifts.
Yeah, 34, you're up call. 34.
Oh, yeah.
He's like, what are you talking about?
34.
That was delicious.
Does anyone have a knife? Dude, every time I puncture, it keeps squirting out. No. No.
That has a punch with you.
No.
Oh. Oh, damn, that looks good. What did you get? Looks like coffee and
This is like
syrup.
the number one drink. That's a Monster something.
Monster Boba tea or something.
That looks hella good.
Man, you got a stain on your kicks, dude. What the
I
heck?
didn't notice it. The price of drinking boba.
We're gonna say later to the twins here because we gotta go get a pedicure. So salud. Vámonos. My wife Jasmine and Monty want to get a pedicure, and they told me and Luis that we wanted to come. I kind of didn't want to go, but then Luis said I'll have it done if David has it done. So I guess I'm getting a pedicure done. It'll be a first one for me. What's up, Jasmine? Say what's up. Guys, this is my beautiful wife, Jasmine. She doesn't like being recorded, but she's a huge supporter, our biggest hater of the vlogs and the biggest supporter. This is her. Say what's up. A color for your
Kind of
nails.
matches your roll cage. Should go with this one for you. Alright.
Hey, but are they gonna kick you out?
Why?
Como me ven tus pies, güey.
More than likely.
¿Sabes que no somos esto aquí, vato?
My girl's about to quit tonight.
Was that water hot?
It's a little bit, yeah.
It's really hot, huh?
My feet over here.
When I first put them in the cabinet.
You know, I have to think about it.
I guess I would say it's case by case, depending on the condition of everybody's feet. Everybody needs a different one. Lo que me recomiendan a mí. Pues que me vendan el que quieran. Es como están haciendo un tune-up today en los wheels. Está diciendo que tienen las patas bien feas.
I do.
The theater. Oh, did you see what the car did? What the hell did it do? I got new kicks, baby. Yeah.
Very out of the range.
Hello? We're good to go, baby. So what do you think so far?
Far so good.
Yeah?
Yeah, nice and relaxing.
How often do you think you make... I'm over here moving the camera because, you know...
Massager?
But how often do you think, now that you did it once here, how often do you see yourself returning?
Once a year.
Once a year? Hey, Jasmine, how often is this something that you should do? Like, how often is it necessary? Yeah. Once a month?
Well, I'm saying because both of you guys are on your feet like all the time.
Yeah. I said the massage is pretty good too. We just finished getting a pedicure, and we went to the Noodle Cafe and grabbed some food. We're just waiting to get home. We're waiting for the girls, right?
Yes, sir.
They're still in there getting their nails done. They're going all out. So, do I recommend it, guys? Absolutely. Definitely worth it. Self-care, you know, stay motivated, stay healthy. And then Luis now is going to show us his methanol kit before we leave. And we're going to go watch the Super Bowl after this. So this is why the Supra is fast. So if you guys think this is a stock Supra, think again. It has a pure turbo, nice tune with methanol. So good luck on top end. So where's this methanol kit that you installed? Where does it go?
Here's the nozzle that goes into the charge pipe. That's where it goes inside the engine. Here's the line for it. It has a pump right here. That's why you see that wiring. It's from the pump. You don't really have an intercooler because this is a water cooled.
Through what?
Through the intake manifold. This is the water methanol injection controller.
AEM?
AEM. And it's all switched so we can turn it on and off.
So watch out, fellas. If you guys want to play with the Supra, good luck, right? How was it actually?
Good.
Yeah.
I'm tired. I'm fucking sleepy.
Why are you guys tired?
Very relaxing. I'm tired.
So we want to go watch the Super Bowl at my house, our house, and we already got food for us. You guys already had breakfast. We didn't. So.
Don't worry, I'll make something.
What
do you think?
I think I have like baby feet now.
Would you come again?
You know, actually it wasn't as bad. That lady really made it seem like she was just rubbing my feet. I like the massage on my legs.
Yeah, I was telling her.
Yeah, I like that. I said, like, you like that?
I was like that. She said that?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I told Mario.
Right?
Like, I don't know about the rubbing on the feet. She's like, Mario, I'm concerned. I'm like, why? And she goes, look at the way she's giving the massage to the big toe. And I'm like, what?
You saw that or what?
I fue cuando dijo when she was rubbing the big toe, she's like, do you like that?
Yeah, and I'm like looking at Jasmine, and I'm like, and then I look at the lady, and she's going like this. I'm like,
yep. Is that not normal or what?
It is.
Oh, okay. It's
she
really
did that to me too.
Okay,
I didn't
perfect.
get that.
It felt really good. Like,
yeah, it feels
it was like super smooth. Like it was.
It relaxes you, and then your feet are like pampered and
Sí me hizo algo aquí como con una lija o algo. Aquí en las shins sí sintió como que me raspó. I don't know, that one was weird, pero besides that, she was very cautious. She was really good. So let's go home. If you guys want to come over, you guys are invited. Let's go watch the Super Bowl. We got food. So that was great. Thank you guys for inviting us.
I thought it was gonna be more.
How much was it?
It was $145.
145?
I paid $150. Well, David got
David got everything. She's like,
David
bring it
got
on,
like-
bring it
¿Pero no
on.
viste que me daba los masajes chingones?
Yeah, I knew he was gonna do that. So
Y a
that's why I
Betío
sent him a text.
a Betío ni le dijeron nada. A
No,
Betío.
well, she was telling me when she would tell you, she's like, you want it too? Like,
Yeah, sí.
No, it's because every time you say they ask you for something,
Put a
it's
boom,
not
boom,
free.
bump.
Yeah, they add you $5 more.
Anyway, let's go because Super Bowl's about to start. So, but thank you though for inviting us, guys.
I did all alright. Had no need to fight tonight.
DJ Big Worm.